Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I am doing well. I do well as well as where are you from?
Yeah, I belong to Kerala.
You love to Kerala. Yeah, your language
Mm.
something like something rude language. I know something boys and a high part of language.
Okay. Are you ever been
So
here?
yeah,
Are you ever
I'm
visited Kerala?
no. I didn't know which Kerala, but in India. But I am from Agra, especially
Okay,
near
okay.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah, yeah. You are from Delhi.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you for finding me on YouTube. That's why I'm conversation right now.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, ask any questions. I will try to
Okay.
reply.
Okay. I watched your lot of. I watched your some Kamli video.
Yeah,
It helped me more improve my English knowledge skill.
yeah. I think it's about vocabularies,
Yeah.
videos. So many video vocabularies. I keep making videos, then uploading on the YouTube because this is my fond of. I have working for many days on the YouTube, almost 1 year. But this is
Okay.
and Family YouTube is my new channel. Ago 2 months, 3 months ago, I'm working on this. I have another channel about motivation, English
Okay.
motivation. It's something high motivation, so not a novel, but something good. I'm working consistently daily. Yes, no, I'm not procrastinate my end work and day by day.
Is
So
both
that's
channel in English?
yeah,
Is both channel in English?
yeah, English.
Okay.
With sound in my second channel Sagar Gulistar. I will send you channel link, then you will check out, let me how is my channel, then if you any mistake in my channel my voice, then I will improvement with my voice.
I do that. I do.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is the
Similarly.
best. That is the best option. If you have a chance for talking with native people, we can improve more.
Yeah, more improvement as well as if
Yeah,
you want to talk to me and daily, and you can connect me and put 10 minute 15 minute a GBs. Okay,
yeah, yeah. We can speak.
I'm here free something, but I have to free because I want to improvement my language as well. I'm fond of meeting new peoples, talk to new peoples. Then
Yeah,
my hesitation will take out with anyone.
yeah. We can get more confidence if you speak with random
Yeah,
people.
that's why. That's why. So
Mm.
hence I'm doing like this work as well as. So do you?
Actually, I'm completed diploma in petrochemical engineering.
Oh, superb
Yeah, after I had been working in Mumbai for 1 year.
experience. You have a experience, 1 year experience.
Yeah, I
It's
have 1 year experience, and now I am pursuing BA in English from Open University.
yeah. Okay. What have you done in education? Any diploma? Any
Yeah, I did my diploma in 2018.
okay. And
Yeah.
any what was your job profile?
Yeah, my graduation was diploma in petrochemical engineering. It is related oil and gas field.
Something highly
Yeah, it is a
mm,
rare course.
higher cost. I never heard about this, but you tell
Yeah.
me. I will try to read on this.
Okay, okay. It is related in oil and gas field. I had been working in oil and gas field for 1 year.
Hmm.
Yeah, and also it
Uh,
is too difficult getting a job in this field.
by the way, I have a one option and one question arriving toward you. As I have five subscriber from Karnataka, but always speaking something sound like he's angry like this look like he's angry talking. Always something rude and like every word take out a strong word. Yeah, fantastic word, every word.
Yeah, I think
Mm,
they're practicing very. I think they're practicing very well. That's why they're
that is
speaking like
yeah. Mhm.
yeah.
And also your language, mother tongue
Yeah, my mother tongue is Malayalam.
Malayalam. Malayalam,
Yeah,
Karnataka. Okay. 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 Too good. Okay. How many members are there in your family?
yeah, my family consists of 7 members, including me.
I'm two the same. I have seven, five sibling
Okay.
and my mother and father. Seven members in
Yeah,
my family.
yeah, my family also like your family. I have father, mother, and 3 sister and brother.
Two brother.
One brother.
Okay. 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 Do you like talk to eh, like a stranger people, foreigner people to like?
Yeah, I would like to do that because I have some application and some WhatsApp group for talking together.
Okay, send me. I will
Yeah,
check out.
I will send you. And also every day I am doing practice for improve my English.
Too good. As well as you need something good and something good, not as something totally good. You have
Yeah,
experience as well as you keep practicing on the on like a on the new language. This is your new
yeah,
language, but your language the good, too good.
yeah. The thing is, if we have good communication skill in English, if we can't get a job in our field, we can do another job. If you have good communication skill,
Mm.
we can do as a tutor. We can do lot of job.
We can get a lot of job due to
Yeah,
English, but we don't have
yeah,
English knowledge. We can get job, but not a highly, not a be kind to
yeah,
get job about communications with and like a highly people's. But is normally talking normal English. We can speak English, but not a highly. If you can't dream, you can complete dream.
yeah, yeah,
Have to work hard. And English is to second language in a world, global language. We have to follow this in anyhow. If you any issues, I don't know how to learn English, but still we have to
yeah.
get into this.
Yeah. And also,
And
and we are Indians. We have to create a environment for learning our English.
yeah,
Yeah. And also, when I
I wanna
started my
speak English like a foreigner as well as British language. I'm fond of too much British language. British sound, I know how to speak British sound, but my subscriber and so don't listen my British sound. They only say if you will speak British sound, I will not understand. Then I will call disconnect. So please talk to normal language.
yeah, and
Hmm.
also when I started my English journey, after I got a lot of things. I got a lot of WhatsApp group. I got a lot of application for learning my English. Yeah,
Okay.
but if
Yeah.
our intention is real, we can get everything.
Okay. And my next question: how long have you been learning speaking English? Consistence.
Yeah, I have been learning English for 6 months.
Oh, 6 months. Still
Yeah.
too good. No any answer. No any question about you. Too good.
What about you? How long you have been learning English?
Um, Echo 1 year. To be
Okay.
honest, Echo 1 year. I've been learning speak English. Echo 1 year. But start my YouTube start ago 7 month. That time I had
Okay.
no any English knowledge, but I had a fund of. I will create YouTube channel. Then I will improvement my English. I will make listen anyone my new language. This is my new language. My mother tongue is Hindi, but I
Okay.
don't speak Hindi since I
Okay.
started my English.
Yeah, and also nowadays the people they are very passionate about learning English. That's why we can get a lot of
Fascinating.
subscribers. We can get a lot of viewers.
Yeah,
Mm.
I can understand. As well as, but my channel is not growing nowadays. I don't know why.
But
I can't say with you.
even me also, I could watch your videos. I am belong to Kerala. I belong to Kerala.
Mm.
A lot of people they are watching your videos.
Yeah, as well a conversation, but not a highly like a 10,000 views, 5,000, not a too much, but
Mm.
normally and like a 20 views, 20, 50 views, 100 views, one of videos. But okay, no, but keep essence, then we will success one day, sir.
Yeah, I know. If you want to become a YouTube, if you want to success in YouTube, it will take more time.
More time you to want to take a lots of more time or
Yeah,
achieve like you are working
yeah,
in a at home, it will take time. You want to get
Yeah,
job, another, it will take time. But you are want to, and but we are not hurry. We are not in a hurry. If you are hurry, please give up. Then start you
yeah,
another work. It's your
yeah,
choice. But never think long. Never think is I will not succeed. Not one day you will succeed, but keep patience as well.
yeah. We should do keep practice.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep getting knowledge, keep conversation with anyone, and keep understanding another, yourself, family, etc. But not understanding, I want to succeed. I want to succeed. I want to succeed. Never leave this about this. You never succeed. Understand anyone, yourself, your consistency, your environment. Succeed. What you want to highly in a hurry. Never, never, never ever. You have to take time. It will take
Yeah,
time to succeed.
yeah. We can't get
Hmm.
result rapidly. It will take more time.
Yeah, it's a we need to succeed want to hard work as well as
Yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah,
Every scientist, every successful people said worked many days, many times, but they had failed many times, experiment, but they had success at least today because of they had patience. They
yeah,
had to wait for success. They had so they are some people working here. That's why and like a Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and
yeah,
about Thomas Alva Edison's felt 100, 1,000 times. Still we are something charging mobile, getting charged mobile. We are sitting in the light because of
yeah,
consistency, additional addiction. This
yeah.
addiction.
Every succeed people they was working hard.
As well as
Yeah,
addiction, working addiction. I can do this, then I will do addiction, like a mobile addiction. But avoid mobile addiction. Addiction, you, whenever you succeed, invest your time. When you are succeed, like a new read books. This addiction is good. Getting knowledge. This addiction also good.
yeah,
First of all, understand your feeling. Interest understand it, then go ahead. Unnecessarily you're gonna enter wrong direction. Somebody will and push you wrong direction, but nobody understand you until you understand yourself.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
And also, if we did any good thing, we should appreciate us because no one came to appreciate us.
Yeah, it checked. You said good. Hmm. Okay, and are you married?
No, no, no. I am 23-year old.
20,
Three.
23-year
20.
old.
Yeah.
You are elder 3 year than me. I'm a 20-year-old, but I will
Okay.
complete in August. My 20 complete, then I will 21.
Are you student?
But I'm a student still. But my neighborhood said to you, Keshav, when will you get married? You are young. But I'm not young. So many people's not getting married. But why are you forcing me? It's bad, a bad thing. I always say, you know, battery life is busy life. Please don't focus on battery. If you focus on goal, then you could complete your goal. Only focus when you get married. You want to throw party? Not I don't want to throw party. Please improvement yourself. Then you can succeed. Somebody will not get marry you. There's so many girls want to hard work, want to
Yeah.
car, house, everything you have good. Then you can get married easily. Your life will spend good.